Gapeworm is one of those chicken problems that can look scary fast because it affects how a bird breathes. Gapeworms are parasites that live in the windpipe, and when they attach there, they can make a chicken stretch its neck, open its mouth, gasp, cough, shake its head, or make strange breathing sounds. That open mouth gaping is where the name comes from. But here's the important part. Not every chicken that opens its mouth has gapeworm. Heat stress, respiratory infections, dust, poor ventilation, and other illnesses can look similar, so it's always best to pay close attention to the full picture and contact a poultry-savvy veterinarian if you're unsure. Chickens can pick up gapeworm from contaminated soil, droppings, earthworms, slugs, snails, or other insects that carry the parasite. Once a bird is infected, the worms can make breathing difficult, and young or weakened birds may go downhill quickly. Prevention starts with clean, dry living areas, good drainage, fresh bedding, avoiding overcrowding, and rotating outdoor areas when possible. Keep feeders and waterers clean, reduce muddy spots, and quarantine new birds before adding them to your flock. If you suspect gapeworm, don't guess. Separate the sick bird, reduce stress, make sure it has easy access to water, and get guidance on proper diagnosis and treatment. A fecal test or veterinary exam can help confirm what you're dealing with, because treating the wrong problem wastes time and can put the bird at risk. At Happy Heart Farms, we believe healthy chickens start with good information, careful observation, and responsible flock care. If your chicken is gasping, struggling to breathe, or acting weak, treat it as urgent. For more poultry tips or help choosing healthy started pullets, contact Happy Heart Farms at 3862-080495 or visit www.happyheartfarmsfl.com. Happy Heart Farms. Grateful hearts make happy hearts.